This is the beginning of an epic decade of transformation and the reimagination of healthcare.
I look out across this room. I see transformers. I see entrepreneurs. I see investors. I see leaders who are really determined to find ways to reimagine and to reinvent health in America in the coming years. And that, to me, is as exciting as anything I know.
What's wrong with healthcare? What's wrong with, so much is wrong with healthcare.
It's a sick care system, not a healthcare system.
Everyone admits that if we had thought about it and designed it from the beginning, we wouldn't end up where we are today.
The healthcare system's been archaic, and so every other part of your life, whether it be travel, entertainment, marketing, e-commerce, all are being transformed through digital technologies. Healthcare is that last market to actually be attacked by an army of entrepreneurs like this to try to make that change.
Startup health is loaded with mojo in a sector that is virtually mojo-free.
Steve and Unity have built a fantastic organization which has brought together a collection of incredible, talented digital health startups and empower them to really make a change for digital health.
There is an enormous amount of potential energy backed up into healthcare. That energy creates innovation. That energy creates change.
And I think what Startup Health has done has really created an ecosystem in which all of these different parties can come together in a much more frictionless way.
When you've got partners like Startup Health that are increasing your value, your equity value, it's worth it in the end. And I don't tell them this, but I'd give them double of what we already gave them because they've been that helpful.
Yeah, don't tell them that.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't think about it twice. I really wouldn't.
They are doing the work of vetting the startups and vetting the enterprises who are all interested in being engaged, and as Steve says, batteries included.
This notion that you give people energy, that your team gives people energy, and that you do not tolerate people, organizations, or others who are not batteries included, those that deplete your energy, comes across.
As a young, growing startup, you can't do it alone, right? You need connections, you need the network, you need investors, you need customers, you need advice. And Startup Health really was just the epicenter of a lot of that for us.
I'm so glad that we joined Startup Health because they've helped us in so many ways in clarifying the business, in clarifying the model, in getting to market quicker, in what we do in fundraising, and in the community, in being able to talk to a bunch of other entrepreneurs about the things that you're finding and the challenges that you're facing.
And so it's the ability to learn from the other transformers what best practices are.
It's a great set of people to learn from, work together, get customers, get pilots, get investment, get money. Everything you want is right here.
The hardest thing is to get in the room with the insurance company, get in the room with the health system, get in the room with the pharma or the agency. And so through Startup Health, we have this community that's been able to gain us access to some of those things.
We want to help each and every one of them not only achieve their dreams, but change the world and make the world a better place.
We've been with Startup Health since the beginning, and talking with Steven and Unity when this was really just an idea, it's become a movement. And it's incredibly exciting to see these companies today.
We want to help people find great doctors, and we want to help great doctors get more patients.
We make patented smart pill bottles that improve medication adherence and patient engagement.
We are bringing connected devices to the respiratory market.
These are my brain waves, and they can help diagnose a concussion.
My personal and professional mission, my moonshot, is to simplify health insurance.
It is a movement, and it is incredibly powerful.
We say we're a healthcare transformation platform, but we're really here to just improve life.
This is a moment where the people in this industry can come together and get behind those bold enough to reimagine this industry. These entrepreneurs need you. And here's the truth, you need them.